want to say?
I can't believe I'm in this situation right now, but I'm going to try and do what I can.
Yeah, I guess the first question to you is to address what Mr. Alok Nath has said. He said, neither can I confirm nor deny the rape. He said it must have happened, but it must have been done by somebody else. What do you have to say to that?
I have nothing to say to that.
Look at the cameraman.
Okay, I'm sorry.
मिंता जी, आप पहले पूरी घटना बताइए कैसे हुआ जब आपको आपने फेसबुक को चला, क्या उसमें थोड़ा बताइए, लोग जानना चाहते हैं सब लोग.
So actually Facebook post is public, so I don't need to go through the whole thing again.
Ma'am, but what is your reaction to Mr. Alok Nath's statement that he's made, saying I can neither confirm the rape nor deny it? What do you make of that statement?
I have nothing to say. I don't make anything of that statement. What do you expect him to say? I'm asking you that question. What do you expect him to say?
Ma'am, a lot of powerful men have come forward and apologized. We've seen that in the
So
last
he's
few
obviously disempowered or he's not powerful. You need guts to come out and say, yes, this happened and I'm sorry for it.
days. But he's not come forward and he's not said anything.
He's not given denials even in 2003 and 4 and 5 when I talked about it and wrote about it and the media published it. So he's not in any position to deny it today. But the fact that he's doing it, I would imagine he's afraid and he's the one who needs to deal with his fear. I'm fearless today because I've spoken what I had to and I've let it out. And for the first time in 20 years, I'm feeling fearless, like I used to feel at the time before this happened.
Ma'am, he's also said that he made your career. He's saying that he's made your career and he's made you the person you are today.
I think you'll have to ask people in this industry if that's true.
Apart from
And there are enough people in the industry you all can talk about and throw this question at, and they'll all tell you who made my career and how it happened. If he wrote Tara and if he wrote all the 16 serials that I have produced and written, then I would believe that he made my career and I sat in the wings.
But you were in a very powerful position yourself. You were a producer,
One person.
director. You were in a very powerful position yourself.
नहीं, मैं नहीं बताऊंगी, मैं नहीं बताऊंगी, मैं नहीं बताऊंगी, नहीं बताऊंगी.
क्या हुआ था कि आलोक नाथ का कहना है कि मैंने रेप नहीं किया, वो साफ छूट, तो इसके ऊपर आप तो कुछ तो
आप वो रीड कर लीजिए, वो जो फेसबुक पे मैंने लिखा है, मैंने जानबूझ के सब कुछ लिख दिया था. मुझे मालूम था आपका सेकंड सवाल क्या होगा, लेकिन मैं उसके आई डोंट वांट टू रिपीट इट.
Minta, you were in a very powerful position yourself. You were the producer, director of the show. Despite that, what is the
How
kind
many
of
people?
pressure?
How many people do I talk to?
Yeah, so that's what I'm trying to say. Let's take one question at a time. वो बात कर रही थी ना.
What is the kind of pressure you are
आप उधर आ जाओ. I can't.
अरे आप लोग इधर से
I mean, what's going on here? I'm sorry, I can't speak like this.
You were in a very powerful position
When you
yourself.
answer, you look center.
या हम कैमरा
Yeah, but
बस कैमरे में देखिए आप.
कैमरा में देखिए
बस सवाल सही है, बिल्कुल कैमरे के सामने
कैमरा में देखिए.
okay, okay.
Minta, you were in a very powerful position yourself. You were a producer, director.
Guys,
It
this
was
is
the
a
number one
this is a
show.
personal interview, na. It's on an issue. So let us not make this look like this, na. Let's be peaceful about it, na. It takes a lot of courage to come out here and speak, and it is damn uncomfortable, na.
मैम वही हम लोग
Please.
कह रहे हैं कि काफी
तो पहले डिसाइड कर लो क्या करना है, फिर उनको एक ही बारे में बताओ ना. वो ऑलरेडी अनकंफर्टेबल, अगर मैं इस बारे में बात कर रही हूँ
नहीं, I'm not uncomfortable, but I need to have some like. Yeah, I mean, like one question. I can't answer 3 questions at one
You were
time.
in a very powerful position.
Yeah.
You were the producer director of the show. It was the leading show. Navneet Nishan was the #1 actress at that time. Still, you people came under this kind of pressure. What was the situation at that time in television, and what are the other names also that you're aware of?
Ma'am, please
Look
simple.
at the camera.
I can't speak for anybody else. I can only speak for what we have experienced and what I have personally experienced. All I can say is that that wasn't the time when I opened my mouth and so many cameras and so much press came and sat around me. Because at that time when I spoke, not a single person asked me whether that had really happened or not happened. Not a single person questioned him for what he had done. And it was all brushed under the carpet and it was kept aside.
Did you raise this matter with the channel then?
Everybody knew what had happened. I had come out, I had written about it. But there was absolutely, in fact, what had happened, the entire press had reported the misbehavior due to which he was thrown out of the serial. It's there even now. I mean, if you go back to the archives, you'll see all those reports.
And did the channel pressurize you to take that leap in the show only so that
I-
Alok Nath can continue and Navneet Nishan is out of the show?
I would remove the word only from your sentence, but I was pressurized to change, take the leap in the generation, bring in a new girl, call her Tara, and she would be her daughter out of wedlock, due to which the series would move on. And I was told that Alok Nath must come back.
And what really got you to this point that you're speaking after 19 years now?
Yeah.
Why didn't you, even in the middle of it, and you also went through that whole phase when you had to bring your career back to where it was, because you literally went into a shell and you were going through a very difficult time personally. How was that time of you bringing yourself back, and how did you take it?
So I was always working. I left the television industry after my 2-year stint with ZTV. I went on to make my film White Noise, and during the making of that film, I opened up about this particular incident. I spoke about it in a fashion magazine called L'Officiel, in which I personally wrote the whole article, and what I've written on Facebook was written there as well. And subsequently, I had also given an interview to Urvashi Asher of Times of India. It was published in the Times of India that this is what had happened with me. But there was not a murmur about it. Nobody talked about it. Nobody asked me any questions about it. Nobody mentioned it. And there was this air of silence that sustained itself until life went on, and one was like told that good, teaches you a lesson. We told you to keep quiet. You opened your mouth. क्या हुआ मुंह खोलने के बाद? That is what happened. And then I knew that I had to compartmentalize my life and move on. So I just did that.
मैम अभी जो मी टू मूवमेंट चला है मैम, ये जो सब लोग आ रहे हैं, तनुश्री दत्ता, नाना पाटेकर के केस आया, सडनली लोग कहीं से कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड से भी किस्से आ रहे हैं, फिल्म और टीवी खासकर ज्यादा
आपकी इंडस्ट्री से सबसे ज्यादा आ रहे हैं, जर्नलिज्म से सबसे ज्यादा आ रहे हैं.
जी, जो भी हो ये सारी इंडस्ट्री मीडिया के अंदर ही आती है, आप भी उसका हिस्सा रहे, हम भी उसका हिस्सा हैं. तो ये अचानक से सोशल मीडिया की वजह से ये चीजें सामने आ रही हैं, क्या वजह देखते हैं? और आपने सोशल मीडिया का ये जो मीडियम चुना है, हाँ, क्या लगता है बिकॉज इससे चीजें पलट गई हैं?
जब मैंने फेसबुक पे ये पोस्ट डाला था, मुझे नहीं मालूम था कि इतना मैं रोज़ कुछ ना कुछ लिखती हूँ और उसका काफ़ी रिएक्शन मिलता है, तो इतना मुझे नहीं मालूम था कि इतना बड़ा रिएक्शन हो जाएगा और इतनी बड़ी बात बन जाएगी. बट येस, द इंटेंशन वॉज टू लेट इट आउट ऑफ माई चेस्ट एंड पुट इट आउट देयर. और अब जो मूवमेंट हो रहा है, इट इज़ वेरी मोटिवेटिंग, इट इज़ वेरी एनकरेजिंग, इट इज़ वेरी एनेबलिंग, एंड दिस इज़ द रीज़न वाई आई हैव ब्रॉट इट अप अगेन, बिकॉज आई न्यू कि जो मेरे साथ बोलने के बावजूद नहीं हो पाया इन दोज ईयर्स, आज होगा. एंड श्योर इनफ, जैसे ही मैंने वो पोस्ट पुट अप किया, 1 घंटे के अंदर इट वॉज वायरल ऑल ओवर, एंड आई वॉज गेटिंग द सपोर्ट विच आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल फॉर, बिकॉज विदाउट दैट सपोर्ट मेरे अंदर ये कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होता कि मैं आज आपके सामने बैठ के सब बातें कर रही होती.
आपने पुलिस का भी सहारा लिया उस वक्त, आपने क्या उस वक्त हुआ था ये घटना? हाँ. पुलिस या आपने जो लीगल वे से जो तरीके होते हैं, अगर किसी का कुछ होता है, वो वाला मैकेनिज्म आपने उस वक्त वो रूट क्यों नहीं लिया था?
क्योंकि मुझे बोला गया था, एंड आई ऑल्सो वॉज, एक तो मैंने इट टुक मी अ लॉन्ग टाइम टू ओपन अप. काफ़ी देर तक मेरे को यही लगता रहा कि मेरी गलती है, मैं उस पार्टी पे क्यों गई, और मैंने ड्रिंक्स क्यों लिए, और मैं इतनी बोल्ड क्यों हूँ, मैं इतनी बातें क्यों करती हूँ, मैं बाकी औरतें जैसे चुप करके बैठ जाती जब मर्द लोग बातें करते हो उनके बीच में मैं अपना मुंह क्यों खोलती हूँ, मैं अपने आइडियाज़ क्यों रखती हूँ. तो मेरे साथ ऐसे ही हुआ जैसे होना चाहिए. एंड बाय द टाइम the disturbance became so great that I was not able to bear it, and I came out. Everybody around me told me that you're crazy, shut up, keep quiet, put it away. So there was no question. Police meant reopening a can of worms which would just make it a very, very difficult situation. And even in those days, everybody knew that everything would go against the woman, which it did. He continued to get work. He went on, despite the whole world knowing what had happened with me, he went on to with his successful career from place to place. I was the one who was out of the industry. I was the one who was labeled as a person who is a difficult person to work with. I was the one who was labeled as a person who is not cooperative. I was the one who was labeled as a person who would create trouble if anything was to happen. So I'm the one who suffered, so I had to start from scratch again.
Are you planning any legal action against Alok Nath now? Because
I haven't thought at all right now.
So मैम एक चीज़ और जानना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि सोशल मीडिया पे आपने डाला, हर किसी का सपोर्ट आपको मिला, लोग सामने आए, आपको सपोर्ट किया, सिंधा की तरफ से भी आपको सपोर्ट फुल मिला है, अभी किस तरीके का प्रोसेस चल रहा है और क्या आप NCW में भी कंप्लेन कर रही हैं आलोक नाथ के खिलाफ?
So मेरा आप इतना मेरे से ज़रूर जेनरस रहेंगी कि मैंने कल रात को ये डाला था और जब ये पोस्ट डाला था मैंने इतनी प्लानिंग नहीं की थी कि ऐसा कुछ होगा या कुछ. It was a moment in which I just felt it's now or never, and I did it. And within 1 hour it turned into a very big story, and I was like, okay, now what do I do? So there were some friends who called and there were some colleagues who called and they were all like, we are with you. What do you want to do? So I said, I don't know. And from the minute I woke up in the morning, from 7 onwards, I have been answering calls and I've been talking to journalists. I've been talking to people because I'm feeling that this is a support system and I should not ignore it, because this is what will reach my message out very far, and therefore I must answer. So all I have done from the morning is answer calls and meet journalists and meet people. I know for a fact that this evening after 7:30 I'm meeting consultants and advisors. So by tonight or tomorrow morning I will have my course of action clearly out.
अच्छा मैम, एक प्रकार की घटना घटती है तो कोई ना जो विक्टिम होती है वो अपने नाम चेहरे को छुपाती है, लेकिन आपने खुले यहाँ फेसबुक पे पोस्ट किया, क्या इस प्रकार आपको कहीं ना कहीं दिक्कत होगी इसके ऊपर?
क्या दिक्कत होगी? मैं 50 साल से ऊपर मेरी उम्र हो गई है और आई डोंट थिंक मेरे अंदर कोई ऐसा इंटरेस्टेड है कि मैं रोड पे चली जाऊंगी तो मेरे को कोई पकड़ के कुछ कर डालेगा. So I am not afraid. I am at a place in my life where I am not afraid. I have spoken openly and I am not shamed. The man who has done it to me is the one who should feel ashamed. I am speaking because he should be shamed, because he has lived for so many years believing that he got away with it. So why should I hide my face?
मैम एक चीज़ और जानना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि ये तो मी टू मूवमेंट चल रहा है जहाँ पे विमेन सामने आ रही है, अपनी बात रख रही हैं, लेकिन क्योंकि एक टाइम इंडिया में भी ऐसा टाइम होता है जब चीज़ें चलती हैं और बंद हो जाती हैं, क्या आप अपना ये केस तब तक कंटिन्यू रखेंगी जब तक आलोक नाथ को उसका नतीजा सामने नहीं मिल जाता या उन्हें किसी तरीके की पनिशमेंट नहीं मिल जाती? क्या आपकी तरफ से ये कंटिन्यू रहेगा?
मैंने जो बोलना था मैंने बोल दिया है और इसकी रैमिफिकेशंस होंगी. आगे क्या होने वाला है उसको लॉजिकल एंड पे ले जाना पड़ेगा, whether I like it or I don't. Fact is that I have not planned what is going to happen, like I told you earlier. And yes, the perpetrator should be punished, not in my case alone, in every case. And दूसरा मैं ये ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगी कि मी टू मूवमेंट ख़त्म होने के लिए नहीं आया है, अभी तो शुरुआत है. मी टू मूवमेंट हमारी अगली 10 पुश्तों तक की जो गर्ल्स एंड लेडीज़ हैं उनको स्ट्रेंथन करने के लिए आया है. नॉट ओनली दैट, नेक्स्ट जनरेशन में बॉयज़ भी नो नॉनसेंस हैं. आपकी जनरेशन में, हमारी जनरेशन में ऐसे नहीं था. नो.
थैंक यू गाइस.
क्या पनिशमेंट सोच रही हैं आप? अगर
मैंने आई हैव नॉट थॉट ऑफ इट. आई जस्ट टोल्ड यू मैंने कुछ सोचा नहीं है, मैं सुबह से यही कर रही हूँ.
But don't you think it's like it's about time? It's been 19 years for your career. Some action should be taken against him.
I think, I believe, I'm a writer and I believe in poetic justice, and I know that if I have opened up today, like I told her very clearly, it will have a logical end. But what it is, I don't know, because I haven't planned it.
मैम, 19 साल हो गए हैं, टीवी बहुत बदला है, कहाँ से कहाँ तारा से शुरू हुआ था और अब नागिन तक आके चल रहा है. टेलीविजन एक बहुत अंदर घुसा, औरतों का अलग अलग तरह से दिखाया गया, लेकिन आज भी आपको लगता है कहीं बदलाव नहीं आया है? लोगों की सोच जो है वो बिल्कुल नहीं बदली है. 19 सालों के जो इस टेलीविजन के पूरे बदलाव को आप कैसे देखती हैं, और इस पूरे जो अभी जो बातचीत हो रही है, क्या आपको लगता है कुछ नहीं बदला है या सब कुछ बदल गया?
ये बातचीत हो रही है तो इसी से जान लेना चाहिए कि सब कुछ बदल गया है, क्योंकि यही तो बात है जो मैंने 15 साल और 16 साल और 17 साल पहले सब जगह पे की, और मैंने प्रेस में भी अपनी आर्टिकल लिखी और इंटरव्यू भी दी। एक भी जन मेरे सामने आके नहीं खड़ा हुआ। आज मैं सुबह से 7 बजे से लेके अभी तक आई हैव ओनली मेट मीडिया। वही बदलाव है, बिकॉज यू आर द गाइज हु आर कैरिंग द मैसेज, you are the messengers, and you have decided to take this on, and that's the change which was not there in those days.
मैम कुछ कहना चाहेंगी? लोग जो देख रहे हैं, व्यूअर्स अब लाइव जा रहे हैं, लोगों को, उन औरतों को जो देख रही हैं, जो शायद आपका फेसबुक पोस्ट नहीं पढ़ पाई होंगी, आप एक कुछ उन्हें मैसेज दे दीजिए, शायद वो भी उठ के आवाज़ उठा सकें।
मैं ये ज़रूर बता सकती हूँ कि मेरा ये पोस्ट लिखने का मकसद ये था कि मैं हर उस औरत की तरफ ये मैसेज पहुंचा पाऊँ कि साइलेंस इज़ मोर डेंजरस दैन द एक्ट इटसेल्फ। और मेरा जो साइलेंस था उसकी वजह से मैंने इतनी सफरिंग को इतना ज़्यादा सफरिंग बना दिया। और आज जो मैं निकल के आई हूँ वो मैं इसीलिए आई हूँ कन्वे करने के लिए कि अगर आप सच्चाई को सामने लाके नहीं रखेंगी तो उतनी सफरिंग होगी जितनी मेरी हुई है। सो प्लीज़, एंड आई हैव रियली कम आउट टू जस्ट टेल यू दैट प्लीज़ स्पीक, गो टू द रूफ एंड शाउट फ्रॉम देयर, बट इफ एनीबडी misbehaves with you, go out there and accuse them and make sure that they get punished for what they have done, because this is a life which is precious and I know what it means and I don't wish it to anybody in the world.
Thank you guys. Thank you. One last.